इसमें जिम्मे एक सोदा क्वेश्चन is that what is the uh, what is the best programming language to learn for a newbie? Before it was JavaScript. A lot of people say Gmail, is CSS3. CSS3 technically is not a programming language. Yes, you can do some animation with CSS3. CSS stands for cascading style sheet. But again, I will treat CSS as not a programming language. My favorite programming language for newbie was JavaScript. Not only you can use some animation to create 2D games. Also, you can use in some of the embedded devices such as Arduino or some of the other embedded devices if you are into DIY electronic things. But right now, I will only recommend Python. Yes, Ruby on Rails is much easier to learn compared to Python, but who cares about Ruby on Rails? Ruby on Rails is dead. Now the ISO development have shifted to iOS development had been shift to Swift. So in my opinion, that Python is the best. With Python, you can do a lot of data. You can create game. Even you can use for web development. Python syntax is clear, easier to understand, because JavaScript follow the structure of Java. It's not JavaScript and Java is a totally different language. Java is a beast. Java is still used for banking website or some hardcore app. Java is Java. If you're a Java developer, you're still in demand. Java developer earn a lot more money. Java follow the C++. Java language follow the C language structure. JavaScript also follow the C language structure, where Python follow some basic C language structure, but not the major, because Python code is very easier to write, very easy to handle. That is my opinion. Learn Python. Like if you're newbie, you can get started with introduction to programming from nano degree from Udacity. In that you will building a portfolio. That is my answer. I hope this answers the question. Subscribe and bye. You can check out my channel MBA Market Business Africa, where I talk about my African business journey and give you tips and tricks on how to start a business in East and West Africa. And also check out my travel channel Outing Journal, where I love to travel with my wife around the world. My wife is diagnosed with the retinal pigmentosa, so she is now 75% technically blind, but still we are not giving our hope. As you can see, my wife is half blind. You can check out this video. Also make sure to check out my Spider-Man review. This is Outing Journal. Also check out my online travel magazine Outing Journal, where I love to write about travel article, travel story, for example such as this one. I love travel writing. I want to become one of the best travel writer out there. And I'm also teaching on Skillshare. Please check out Skillshare. I'm giving you a 1 month free trial. Here's my course on Skillshare. More courses are upcoming on Skillshare. I'm teaching on Skillshare. And also check out my courses on Udemy. Yes, my courses on Udemy. I have around 4 courses, over 20,000 students. Most of my courses are going quite well. Make sure to support me on Skillshare and Udemy. That's all. Keep going on. Never stop learning. Learn until you die.